Here we have the Eachine E012. Let's take a look in the box, see what you get. Comes with a manual, a full set of spare props, a USB charger to charge your 3.7 volt, 200 milliamp hour LiPo battery. Here is the non-altitude hold controller that requires 2 AA batteries. Here is the Eachine E012. It's a ducted fan drone. It's a micro, it's pretty small. It has features like headless mode, 1 key return, 3 different speeds, and also it does flips and rolls. All right, let's take this Eachine for a little test flight. There is no on and off switch. You have to plug it in to turn it on. So the easiest thing would be plug it in first and then slip it in the little battery compartment there. The battery sticks out further than the plug, so you wouldn't be able to plug it in if you put the battery in first. So we have some cool LEDs. We got some blue, some green, some red. So, oh, and there's the front. We have a nice bright LED in the front. I'm gonna put the head facing this way, just in case I need to do that for headless mode. So we'll turn the controller on and up, down, and do we have a bind? Oh yeah, we have a bind. This is non-altitude hold, and then here are the trims. So that's forward and backward trim, and then left and right trim. So let's take it up in the air. So it does have headless mode. It seems like I'm drifting to the right there. Come on, get over here. There we go. That's a pretty good hover right there. Okay, perfect. So it does have headless mode. So let's go into headless mode. Now it wants to drift over there again. All right, let's bring it down. So to calibrate the gyro, it is down and to the right, and you saw it flash. Now the gyro is calibrated. So let's take this up in the air. Now it wants to drift to the left. All right, okay. Let's go into headless mode now. See it flashing. Oh yeah. Yep, headless mode works pretty good. Let's get out of that, so we'll hit that again. And then it says auto return, which is the other button up top here. Let's see what happens. Oh, here it comes. It's coming right back all by itself. Nice. Okay, so the auto return works as well. So let's check out the speeds. The speeds are on the left stick. You push the left stick in. Oh, you hear the second beep? Oh, that got quite a bit faster. But there's 3 speeds to this. Let's push this in again. 3 speeds. Whoa. This thing moves really, really fast. Yeah, this is pretty quick. And I don't know why, but I'm in low voltage already. You see the flashing LEDs? But wow, this thing moves pretty good in a third rate. I cannot believe the battery is dead already. Or almost dead anyway. This thing's awesome. This thing zips around pretty good. Let's see, I'll try a flip. Nope, it doesn't let me flip. So yeah, it is in low voltage. I can't believe it's in low voltage already. That is rather disappointing. Huh, well, I'm gonna charge this battery up. We're gonna do some flips. because I want to show the flips. So to do the flips, I think it's funny, in the book it says you have to be at least 10 feet off the floor, but at least 10 feet below the ceiling. So what the book's saying is you need to be in at least a 20-foot tall room. We don't have 20 feet here. You don't need to be in a 20-foot room. Let's do some flips here. See how good it flips. You push the right stick in and pick your direction. That was a pretty good flip. You definitely don't need to be in a 20-foot tall room for a flip like that. That was a back flip. Let's do a roll to the side. Oh, almost hit the lift there. And let's do another. It doesn't lose altitude at all when it does the flips. It flips pretty good. I just thought it was pretty funny how they say you have to be in like a 20-foot tall room. Now you can fly this outdoors. We're not flying outdoors because it is cold out and it is windy. And I don't think this little drone will handle the amount of wind that is out there right now. So we are flying in the shop. But I love this thing. This thing flies really, really good. So I am in the third rate still. The yaw's not that fast, but it does turn pretty good when you're flying. I think the yaw is a perfect yaw speed anyway. Sometimes these drones, when you put them in the high rate, I think they yaw a little too fast and it makes it hard to control. But I think this is a perfect yaw rate for the speed. Oh, and there we have low voltage. And low voltage is why the LEDs are flashing. I just ran into the air hose there, which is one nice thing about these ducted fan drones is you have prop guards. They act as prop guards. We'll just fly it around, see how much longer we can fly in low voltage. So I'm not super impressed with the battery life, especially on the size of the drone. This is a really small drone, and oh boy, and it's pretty light, and I did not get a long flight time out of this. And this drone only came with one battery, so you get just a few minutes of flying, and then you have to take the battery out and charge it and sit for like 40 minutes for it to charge. Oh, get off the hose, get off the... Oh, there it is. It's dead.
So that was the Eachine E012, and it is a great flyer. I enjoyed this drone. I thought it did great with flips. The headless mode works, the 1-button return, 3 different speeds, which the third speed's pretty fast on this. The battery is the only negative thing about this drone. I wish I had a little bit more battery life. 200 milliamp hours. I thought it would last a little bit longer, maybe closer to the 8-minute mark. So this will be going in for the November giveaway. And how my giveaways work is they're a monthly giveaway, and I give away one of the RCs that I feature for that specific month. So for November, I'm gonna have the Eachine E012. Some of you've seen the A21 battle drones from San Cisco. And then I have the DWI, the Dawelin, I think that's how you say it. But I have this coming up next, so we will open this up and see what comes in this really nice case and how good the drone flies. But these are gonna be the ones for November. So if you wanna get yourself entered, you have to comment on the video of each RC you want to have a chance to win. You just have to be a subscriber from the US. So you like the A21s? Go ahead over that video, drop a comment, get yourself entered. You like this one? Comment down below, get yourself entered. Your comment is your entry. On December 1st, I'm gonna do a live drawing, and that's where we figure out which RC is gonna be the giveaway, and we find out who wins it. So good luck to everybody who enters the giveaway, but that'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see who wins the next Ready to Run RC.